Hey everyone, what's going on? Nice late stream today. Wow, this feels different. Hey, we're still on Apex? That's not what's happening. We're not playing Apex. Although Apex was pretty fun yesterday. I think I will play Apex again. Hey Frederick, what's going on? You're watching Less Than 4 on Valleys? So accurate to Bitcoin? Yep, absolutely, man. Gonna go Barb? You guys think I'm gonna do Barb? I barely lasted 2 hours. Yeah, dude, once you stop playing poker, it really is hard to get back into the rhythm once the incentive of money is gone. I found that too. I found when I started trading, it was just kind of tough. It was kind of tough to get back into it, to be honest. Nice title, thanks. You played D3 for 8 hours? Must be the remastered. Or not the remastered version you were playing. Zone out and have fun? Yeah, for sure. No Apex? Diablo 2 today. Your science is the meme. What do you know that feels illegal but isn't? I love that. I love that take. It's so true. What am I drinking? It's tea. It's like a black tea drink. It's just black tea. What's in this thing? It's peach flavor. There's honey in it. Black tea. Peach juice. That's it. It's just like tea in a thing. It's just like flavored tea. It's good. It's not bad. You're getting addicted to my science. It's a good thing to be addicted to, for sure. That's not a bad thing to be addicted to. It's good. You get hooked on making money at the same time. We will start with cars. The AMG GTR Black Series. Let's check it out. I've seen this thing. It's pretty hype. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna bring it up on screen for people to see. More car talk. We're back at it again. Interior. I don't want to see interior. I don't care about interior. Love the exhaust. Hate the rear diffuser. I think this rear diffuser is kind of cooked. To be honest, it's whatever. Spoiler's not bad. I do like the spoiler. Love the hood. Absolutely love this hood. That hood is hype AF. That's the hood. Hate the diffuser. Side skirts are okay. They're a little normie take, to be honest. Everything is like this now. They're okay. The side skirts I would rate like a solid 7, but no, I wouldn't. Like I was thinking 6.5 maybe. But like okay, it's a solid 7. The side skirts. Like in the wheels you swap out. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about the wheels. Nobody uses factory wheels. It's already got the canyards on it or whatever those are called. Headlights are okay. I do like how round they are from the side angle. Air vented brakes. That's like whatever. So they're functional, the side skirts. I mean, if you're tracking it, that's great, but for driving it on the street, that's nothing. I can't say I'm a big fan of the front diffuser as well. I think it's okay. I think the hood is badass. I like how wide the back end is. I love the wide body look on this. Taillights are okay. Okay, I want to see this diffuser. Oh, Posmet on point. Yeah. So it is carbon fiber. It's okay. It's okay. I don't like how rounded it is. I feel like it makes it less aggressive, which I don't like. It's okay. I don't like how the black goes so high on this. I feel like it kind of takes away from the diffuser. The hood is insane. I love the hood on this thing. I like the headlights too. They're okay. So Mercedes has nice headlights, but when you're comparing it to the other supercar headlights, they fall short. Like Audi headlights, way better. BMW headlights, way better. Ferrari headlights, Bentley, like, and headlights are a big deal. Like diffuser, headlights, these are the things that make the car. The hood, like these are the components that are like the soul to the vehicle, right? When you're talking about visually, anyways. Front grille is kind of whatever. Everybody's got a nice front grille. They all have their own take, but headlights are important. I don't know. I think Mercedes has the weakest headlight of the bunch. Nothing really overly special in my opinion. I think they're just nice and refined. Porsche has nice headlights, dude. You want to talk about headlights? Dude, Porsche has nice headlights. Kind of like a Viper. So true, man. Great eye. That's so true. It is like a Viper. I mean, I really like this, but this looks like a Viper too, actually. Didn't Viper do this where they had vents down the side fender? I'm pretty sure Viper did that as well. I don't know. It's okay. How much are they? RS7 RABT. That's such a sick car. It's unbelievable. ABT is so insane. GT3 RS, another insane car. So Porsche, that's so good. 400Z. Is that like a 350Z follow-up? If it is, I doubt it. Yeah, this is like a 350Z follow-up, right? Yeah, no thanks. No, I wouldn't touch this thing. I want to buy a supercar. This doesn't really fit into the realm of supercars. It's more of like a mid-tier sports car. I'm looking at supercars. Integra Type R. Oh, can you not destroy my ears, please? I'm assuming the Integra is going to be like another like 350Z kind of thing, like a mid-tier competitor. It'll compete with like the Supra, right? Like it'll compete in that like 70K range. Well, okay, 70K Canadian, so like $5,000 American range. Jesus, the car video is blowing up on IG right now, getting an insane amount of views. People must really love car talk. I did it because I thought it was a cool way to integrate with a community. Like, yeah, just to interact with the community instead of just talking about it in Discord. I thought it was like a fun way to do it. Make a series on it. Make money in first-person shooters while whacking them. You could go do like whack-a-mole gambling. I don't know how good that's gonna be, but Play D2 with the other homies and D3 with the husband. Queen, you've got like the perfect life. You can't play poker anymore unless live. I kind of feel the same way. I kind of feel the same way. DXY took a bit of a dump. It's just backtesting trend. It's not bad. It's not bad, actually. This is pretty good. Actually, this is not a bit of a dump. This is going to set up a pump for the future if this holds. Orange one is crazy. The Orange GT Black Series. This one? That's not bad. I really hate the rear diffuser. I would specifically stay away from this car because of how ugly this rear diffuser is. That nasty cough was bad. It was so bad. 250k, that's a huge budget for a car, sir. Yeah, I want to get something nice. Porsche has insane taillights. Yeah, you can do a lot of customizing on the Porsche taillights too, from the factory. 765, isn't that BMW? Or is that a Rari? Hey, I'll check it out, man. The AMG Audi you showed. Oh, the thing is so nice. Oh, I'm good, Razor. Thanks, man. Thanks for tuning in and say hi, man. I think if Bitcoin continues to not break this, you're going to see a crazy dump. I think you could potentially see a crazy dump below 29.2. Like, I think if this continues to hold, it's going to be really bad for Bitcoin. This, like, if this thing holds, oh, boys and girls, we might have a little bit of a situation on our hands. You know what I'm saying? Like, if this trend right now, like if it can't break this trend and start hard closing, I think Bitcoin's in a lot of trouble. McLaren 765. Oh, the McLaren. Okay. Ferrari F8. No, haven't talked about it. I'm surprised no one said R8 yet. People love R8s. Nobody said R8 yet. Everybody's just saying like Rari and Audi, like RS7, Ferrari. A couple Mercedes boys in there chiming in. Ah, best of Porsche. I see it. I'll check it out after. Was I expecting to go higher? No, not necessarily. Bitcoin, you mean? An origin scalp? No. This could set up like distribution. If we can't break this trend, this could potentially set up distribution for like the next year, which is crazy to think, but it can. It's crazy to think that if Bitcoin can't break this trend, this could be it. But it's actually accurate. If it can't break this trend, you might see 20k. It'll take a little bit of time to get there, but that's what this trend represents right now. Altcoin's gonna explode. God no, they'll all dump. GTR, yeah, GTR R36. Upgrade from the previous gen M4. The new M4s are terrible. The F80s were amazing. The new M's are just dog water. They're horrible. Absolutely horrible. The new M platform is dead. Anybody who's had an M, like I have an F80 M3. Anybody who has an M, it's like I'll never buy another BMW. BMW killed its brand. Literally destroyed their own brand. Lexus 2.0 and like literally if you go to the forum, like BMW forums, people are abandoning BMW faster than the Titanic is sinking. Like the company's cooked. They're done. Like they fucked up. And I fucked up BMW. The grill, the body, like they destroyed the vehicle. Now it's like gone. They're like losing stock. Like I wonder if actually the stock is dumping. BMW Motorworks. So this is what is it called? Is it? I don't think it's this. There's a different name for BMW. What's the BMW ticker? Bavarian, yeah. Bavarian Motors, right? Something like that. Jesus. This one. Bayer? I thought it was like Bavarian or something like that. I know it's something with a B. Bayer? Here it is. Why does this look so weird? What was this? I guess it's this. Why is it an OTC though? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, this isn't right. What's the ticker on this thing? Why does this look so different? BAM XF? The BAM XF? BMWYY? What was this BAM FF? XF. Why is it 83 euro? I wonder if it's BMW YY as well. Why such a difference in price? Is this when they announced the no? Just kidding. I'm surprised the price is actually holding. I'm surprised we didn't see like a dump from here. Maybe we'll still see the dump. Maybe over like the next year, you'll see it reflected in the price of its stock. Who knows? Dispensable playlist? Probably synthwave. It's just synthwave music. Smart money's useless. Why trade with someone else's money when you can trade with your own? When do I talk about trends? Future of trading. Beginner's course, advanced next. Advanced and then future of trading. Then blueprint and butterfly effect. Smart money is when you trade with somebody else's money. You use an institution's money or whatever. Why do that when you can just trade with your own money? Give an example on chart? Nope, I teach it in my lessons, dude. Just go watch the courses. Smart money is when you trade with someone else's money. What's there to show on the charts? This makes no sense. Using a fund's money to trade is no different than using your own money. It's not like it changes the levels because the money comes from somewhere different. There's nothing to show. Oh, you're going Druid. That's what I was gonna go, dude. We can be Druid bros. Gear sharing? Huh? Gonna quickly run through things. Got other stuff we want to do today. I think he means like a manipulation concept. Oh. Dude, look at Iron, man. This is such a sick chart, dude. It's happening on Iron. There's nothing to show with smart money. What would there be to show? An example of what? Okay. Let's stop here for a second. If sugar pulls back and we nailed this to the cent, if we nailed this to the cent, if there's a pullback here, we mark this in November. This level has been here. If we pull back, this level has been here for 10 months. 10 months. And then people say, oh, but what about intraday trading? Dude, this has been here for 10 months, man. The intraday trading doesn't matter. 10 months. If this pulls back, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I need to quit streaming and doing everything and just start trading. It's getting to be too much. I won't do that, don't worry. But dude, if this thing pulls back and we mark this sucker in November, dude, I'm banning anybody who ever says intraday. I don't even get it. It could be like, what about intraday underwear trades? You're fucking banned, dude. You're done. You're banned. Like, if this thing pulls back from a level I marked 10 months ago, this was the top. There's no other levels. It's not like I marked 50, 60, 70 levels. I have one trend. I have one level. If things pulls back, stream's done. Intraday, ban, everything. Gone. I don't know if this is pulling back yet, but if we nailed this from 10 months ago, I swear to all that is holy with the fish molies, man. It's not like intraday. I don't ever want to hear anybody use that term again. It'll be like an auto ban keyword in chat. In Twitch, I am going to put intraday as an auto ban phrase. And it's going to auto ban, link to the IG post. There's no way this is pulling the... There's no way. There's no, it can't. It's not gonna, it can't pull back. It can't be. This gold bounce is nasty. This gold bounce is just nasty. People are always like, oh, but I need intraday and time frames. No, you don't. Trust me, you don't. It's happening with silver. Dude, silver is getting destroyed. Well, silver will bounce, but yeah, it's getting destroyed. Platinum's breaking up. Surprising, actually. Well, I mean, it held its move. That's fine. It can hold its move. Leave this there. So it's OG levels. I don't want to touch my OG levels, even when they're wrong. I don't know if that's actually gonna be the case here, but it sure does look pretty pretty delicious. Switch to this screen just to switch to the next screen. Might be leaving Nebriva. This is like right where I entered. Might be leaving Nebriva. Gonna give it a little bit of time, but not too much. Yeah, EVFM is gonzos. Bye. ONTX guy. The ONTX needs to just get one more little pulse. Numi still holding. WDI hit its level, but I think we'll be staying away from WDI. NKLA 950. Yeah, okay, so 950 was like the final moment for NKLA. This is what we were saying. I don't think 950 is holding. 23andMe. Oh, so close to our next level. What was it, 10 cents away? Could still happen. Voyager, what is it doing? The Voyager broke its first level, bounced off the second level. Look at this for accuracy. Another one. Look at this. Let's go, dude. Who knows? Maybe this will pump off this. I'm waiting. I don't have I have my next level, but I'm not marking it on my screen for Voyager. I'm starting to hide everything I do, which I kind of like, to be honest. I kind of like doing this. Smart money is a meme. What are you guys on about with smart money? Smart money is a meme term. No, smart money is when you're using a hedge fund's money. Like if you smart money is, I'll read it. Capital is being controlled by institutional investors. Yeah, it's like hedge money. And like trading with smart money, it means when you're trading with someone else's money. I mean, there might be different terms that people have coined on it, but that's like, I don't know if you want to call it the original term or the actual term. I don't know, but it's like it's big fund money. Everything is just getting destroyed right now in the markets. Kiddo came in, left his toys in here. Okay, where do we leave off? Smart money as institutional traders or stop loss and retail traders. Yeah, that's garbage. Fake news. People like me hunt people like them, so I don't know. It's just like, okay, well, okay, maybe it's there's other stop loss hunting. Yeah, you guys do that. It's like when coyotes or something, or small cats go fishing in crocodile infested waters. That's what it sounds like. They may be catching a few fish, but they're just the big juicy meal for the betters. GME still holding on. It's fine. Recommendation for a chair? Herman Miller Sale. SAYL. Really good chair. When will I upload the podcast? Soon. Soonish. That's why these hedge funds don't last. Yeah, I mean, you know how many family offices and hedge funds go to business? It's actually crazy. It's actually crazy how much they're actually getting destroyed in the world. Sale is getting delivered Monday. Nice. Yeah, it's a really good chair. And they have some pretty cool customizations you can do too, like colors. Like mine's a nice light blue. But this is interesting with Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is really in a moment that's pretty important right now. Like Bitcoin always kind of goes through these polarized moments and these pretty important times. But you know, Bitcoin right now, ever since like down in here, we talked about this before, and now you're at the opposite end of that. Yeah, Bitcoin is going through a really important moment right now because like if this thing keeps holding and it can't break up, like you could see Bitcoin coming down to here. You could see it breaking down. Obviously, it has to break down to the bottom of this range first. Like you have to see if 37 can hold, but I wouldn't expect it. After, if this holds, I would expect a pretty sharp drop. I would expect a super sharp drop if this holds. I'm considering taking a short. I just want to see a bit more first before I get into a short. I think there's a bit of a smarter spot to get into a short. It's really hard to justify a short. Like it's really hard right now. But like if Bitcoin holds here, it's gonna be pretty nasty. You could see some pretty nasty stuff happening. Checking my other chart to see if there's anything at all that I'm missing, like anything at all. Yeah, it's trying to hold its move right now, actually. Spooky stuff for Bitcoin. It looks like it's gonna break down. It's just where's the right moment to short? That becomes the main question. Where's the short moment? I don't know if you're gonna see it again. You might have already seen it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see real soon here. We're gonna see. Hey, SNX man, thank you for the sub, dude. 48K then drop. Ooh, I don't know. Looks like it's setting up distribution right now. Okay, my Binance is fried. Can't put orders on the board. Type. Yeah, Bitcoin. Wow. If we can't break this trend, I'm pretty sure Bitcoin's gonna dump. Like if we start seeing rejections off it, I'm pretty sure it's gonna fall off a cliff. We'll see though. We'll see. Is it a good short now? I can't trade for you, man. I can only give my opinion. Still on stocks. Good call, man. Will I teach spells? Yeah. How to cast a spell? Witchcraft? Absolutely. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's happening here with Bitcoin. And we're gonna keep our list on stock so we can kind of just keep an eye on stocks and BTC at the same time. These are the two I'm most interested in. EVFM I'm no longer interested in. Maybe once it bounces and stabilizes, but it can definitely be moved down the list. We're gonna see what Bitcoin's doing. It's a pretty interesting moment right now. Very, very important to not move away from the Bitcoin chart right now. My Binance is so messed up. Yeah, so it's going to attempt to try to break the level right now. Let's see what it can do. You could go all the way up to 840 and dump. What are you doing, Bitcoin? You go all the way up to 840 and dump. Right now, you're like right here. It definitely becomes alluring to try to target these 8 levels, like this 46.8. Top 5 for cars? Not sure yet. $680. 680 is possible. I don't think I would take 680. 680 is really risky. This is super risky. You might as well take 8 something. Thing is, Bitcoin just doesn't want to break, so I'm not sure if there's a smart short to be had here. I think it's risky. I think it's a high risk, high reward payoff, this trend. Yeah, I think this trend is high risk, high reward. If it holds, you've got a pretty amazing trade incoming. If it doesn't hold, you're kind of screwed. High risk, high reward. That's what it is. Maybe 650 is smarter here. Be like right here. $630 might be smarter than $650. Yeah, this thing looks like it might try to explode up. It's trying. It's trying to have a move up. So there goes the attack on trend. So here goes the attack on the first level. Watch this thing pull it back. How's that for an accuracy? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Do you have any shorts open? No, I'm looking to enter short right now. It just attacked its first level. Dude, if this pulls back, how's that for accuracy, guys? How the F is that for accuracy? I missed my trade by a little bit, but that's okay. But how is that for accuracy? I went for the next level. What if this pulls back here? I'm not sharing my next level. Dude, if this thing pulls back, I'll be sad to miss it, but I'm going for the next level. I'm not sharing the next level. Dude, I'm pretty sure this is it. It's gonna reject its first level. How the F is that for accuracy? Dude, it's actually doing it. It's actually trying to make a pullback off this level. So is this the beginning of the end? Well, we didn't get in our trade, but like, that's okay. I mean, going for a greedier level, that's okay. It's okay to do that. Yeah, it's happening. The pullback, it might be happening. I leave this short open if you're in it. When do we get to join your Discord? Whenever you want, man. You just have to join Patreon. No, I'm not revealing the other levels. Nope, 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 nope. I'm putting levels less and less on my screen and showing people less and less. Too many people scalp it and try to sell it as like fake accounts under me. Too many people go and they watch my stream and then try to repost with the things that I say and they're like fake accounts. I've gotten away from marking levels, and when I do on stream. Like I just marked this one before it happened, right? Science rocks, thanks, man. It's pretty powerful stuff. That's let's get something straight. My science is fucking powerful stuff. Dude, as if it's gonna be this. After butterfly effect, join the patron highest tier. Join the butterfly effect here on Patreon. Or join it before butterfly effect. Level from BE, BE2. Yep, it's actually doing it. The pullback is happening off this. That's crazy. It's not guaranteed yet. It's not there yet, but it's making a strong case for a pretty decent size pullback. this pullback happens. I don't know, 20K maybe. Wait for a few months, close at 20K. 19.4, I think it is, something like that. There might be one more attack on the level, but it sure doesn't look like it. But there may be one final attack. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. At this point, this is looking pretty convincing, like this was it. Dude, how is that for accuracy? How did we get so good on this, man? Hey, Melodic, what's up, man? Oh, why didn't I take this short? I just went for a little bit greedier. I was trying to get super, super greedy. It was just slightly above. It was like $12 away or something from here. $11 away was my target. It just pulled back too quick. Couldn't hit my target. Name of this type of level? Secret level. That's what we'll call it. It's secret, unknown level. Hey, Keshab, what's up, man? I cannot believe this might be it. A one hit on this is really bad news for Bitcoin. OG level. TikTok level. The TT level. TikTok. Yeah, this is gonna be it. Fucking trade's gone, dude. Maybe not yet. It's like I said, it's still on its move, but this is really like that was the one level that was going, one of the levels that was going to pull it back. That's why we have it on our screen. Rather dump, yep. I mean, we're gonna see. It's not dumping yet, but it's definitely trying to have a major pullback off this level. This is a pretty crazy pullback. We're gonna see what happens. $11 away. I was going a little greedier. This was a level I was playing. I was just playing a little bit of a greedier part of it. It's okay. So many dreams shattered. Oh, like 20K. 20K and then like 12K and then maybe 6. 20K, 12, 6. That'll be a TikTok dance I do. 20K, 12, 6. 20K, 12, 6. Where's Bitcoin's price going? And that's going to be that. Thought it comes first. Absolutely. You have to leave the office so you can take the short. Another one for TikTok. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. I love you, but I hate TikTok. TikTok's pretty decent, man. I used to hate TikTok too, but it's not bad. It's just really cringy, that's all. If you can get past the cringe, then you're good. The platform itself is great. The content on it is horrible. But as a platform, it's fantastic. They really did a lot of good things with TikTok. Like, it actually is a really, really smart app. It's really cool what they've done on it, but as the content on it is beyond. It's like pretty reprehensible, the content on it, but like the app itself is really good. Podcasts, I do podcasts in the Discord already. Okay, what are we doing? Game of Hearthstone and then play Diablo? Warm up game of Hearthstone, just play something chill, then play Diablo? I think so. I don't know if this is going to be the final test. I mean, Bitcoin's making a strong case up for a pullback here, but we're going to see. Like, the day is still pretty young. The podcast was like amazingly good. We might even play a little bit of Apex today, but probably just going to be primarily Diablo 2. Like, I just want to play one game of Hearthstone, and then it's going to be primarily Diablo 2. I am going to try another short. I just haven't decided where yet, so... TikTok is better in paying money for content creators. I don't know what kind of money people make on TikTok, but what does that look like? Just sponsor deals and stuff? I can imagine that's great for something like the fitness industry. Like, oh, look at this protein powder. It made me lose 1,000 pounds in 4 minutes. I'm thin. Like, I could see that, but... I'm gonna take this bomb. You missed out on the gameplay? I got a win, actually. My 3rd game ever. I didn't do much. I got carried, but win's a win. Chasing trades? Nah. Move on. See how cool and collected I am about missing this trade? I'm just like, whatever. Could be another trade. Where was my actual order? 48. So I missed it by... not like $14 or something like that. Not even. Oh, I didn't miss it by that much. I missed it by $9. Oh, that's pretty heartbreaking. Yeah, that's not cool. Hello? We need battle cries, please? What is this? I want to get the micro mummy, but dragon's kind of better. No Murlocs or beasts, so no token battle cries. That's terrible. And no pirates. Dude, there's like no 1-drops in this game. There's demons. Yeah, okay. We take this in level. There's like no battle cries on tier 1. There's the Quillbore and there's the demon, and that's it. Oh well. Proud of your team carrying a bag of bones. A bag of fossils is more like it. Fossils are bones, but like fossils are extra old. Bag of fossils, man. But yeah, I could see that being good for like a clothing line, maybe TikTok, or I just think the platform makes a lot of sense the way they do things, and I think Instagram is trying to keep up with their success. The thing about TikTok is that it doesn't have a very bright future, but it is 100% a smarter platform than TikTok. Sorry, than Instagram. But Instagram has its bonuses too. Like Instagram is definitely has things that make it better than TikTok. I just think TikTok is way better at captivating an audience. Yeah, like the battle cry in this guy, like this is horrible, dude. Do you buy this? The Tough Tusk? You need this for the battle cry. I guess you buy the Tough Tusk, right? I mean, you could buy the Ritualist, not bad, but I mean, this has a battle cry trigger on it, like the Quillbores that activate the battle brand. So I'll get this because there's like a secondary benefit. Genzi and Alpha Kids already own that. Which one, TikTok or IG? Which one are you talking about? And by that I mean TikTok. Yeah, it's definitely a really crazy platform in terms of growth. Like I've seen creators on there like 1 million subscribers overnight and post one video. Like there's definitely a crazy growth matrix on TikTok if you can find a stride on TikTok. Mike, I almost considered deleting my TikTok account because my TikTok will TikTok for me will never work. You take these two. You could roll once, look for another battle cry, but you take this always. You need the battle cry trigger. I guess you could roll once, sell this, but the Bacon Rider is not bad. But you wouldn't be selling it this turn. You wouldn't be buying, selling, rolling once just to get the Divine Shield. So that means you buy the Golem. This is the smarter play. It's not looking good. We've only got 3 so far. So instead of doing a early Quilboar build, will most likely be a Menagerie build, going for cups on 4 with Bran. That's most likely going to be the thing. Elementals, cups. Possibly we could transition into Elementals late game if we get some good triggers, go to 6 and maybe spike some Rags, maybe. Demons will never be playing demons. Mechs is a slight possibility. Dragons is never. So you're like Quilboar, Elemental, possibly Mechs, but more likely Quilboar, Elemental / Menagerie. We're just gonna see what we get. Yeah, I'm playing Diablo 2 after this game. Actually, I just wanted to play one game to kind of just chill out. Yeah, I just wanted to play one game. Absolutely Diablo 2. I've already got it downloaded. The beta's downloaded. It's already ready to go. Okay, so this is really good. This is a great drop here. It's a nice power spike. We've got the passive proccing level. It's a really good curve. Really good turn. Like, good stats. Great taunt. I'm more worried about longevity right now because I have to get Battle Brand out. I need to get Battle Brand out so I can actually start rolling units that are good. Resurrected beta started today, about an hour ago. Yeah, I'm going to be playing after this game. I'm looking at this Porsche from IG right now, the GT3. That's not bad. It's nice. Not bad. Decent Porsche. Love the spoiler on it. This is really strong to keep me in the game right now since I do have 2 demons. I think I always buy the Soul Juggler here. I think it's a weird pull, but I think it's okay. I need stats and I need 1 unit. Like, I don't know if I can afford to dig for 2 battle cries here. This is really good too. So is this. So we're gonna buy this. Right? Like this. Sell both of these and buy the Bronze Warden. I mean, it's a tier 1 dragon if we're going Menagerie. To have this now is a huge benefit. These are useless units. They're just kind of dead. And it's gold efficient. It gives me a tier 1 unit for Menagerie. Yeah, it's worth it. It's kind of a little... I don't even know if it's that much weaker this turn, to be honest. Yeah, this is pretty decent. This was a big pull. So was this. And then we just level and look for any battle cry to get us on 4 to start spiking triples, Menagerie, just anything that we can. Kills attention span, what I dislike about the app. Yeah, for sure. But I mean, yeah, no, there's no buts. It does. There's no nice snipe. Terrible hit. Not bad hit. Great snipe. So. I think we win this now, right? No, we tied. God damn it. We should have won that. I lost a lot of rolls there. 3 rolls. You just buy this, right? You just level. Buy this. 2-5 or 3-3. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. You just want the battle cry to get the brand. I guess you can buy this for next turn and you just play the brand now and you can hold this for your mech, the mech that you go if you're doing Menagerie. Because this doesn't really make sense right now. So you can buy this and just play the brand. I mean, it's almost the same stat, so why would you waste this? You can play the brand, hold the mech. Yeah, this is good. Hope to triple this. This becomes your demon all game. Play this on this. It's Spike into a 5-drop, get Light Fang. Or the Quill Board, dude. Or the Elemental that summons 2 elementals. The only problem with that is you have to power level twice, get to 6, play it on 6. What else would you be looking for? Nothing else is really a carry at this point. Another brand doesn't do anything. A Nomi is useless here. Like, Nomi can be good with Bran if you're on 5 already, but you have to be spiking Ellie's to get that. No demons. Bran mechs. So inefficient. It's such an inefficient way to do it. Dragons, yeah, also inefficient. I mean, we want to boost this dragon if we get the buffer on the dragon for sure. That's worth it. 4/4 on a Bronze Warden is huge. Ugh, what a bad hit. Basically pointless. That's a good hit. That's a great hit because you know what? Now he doesn't summon a million units. That's a good hit. We lose, but not by much. We have our brand. We have hopefully a build that we can work with. Just going Menagerie this game. Just looking for mechs, Divine Shield mechs, and Menagerie. Like this is good. The arm could be a carry if we had a taunt, but we don't. We don't want to start spending money on a do we actually though? Maybe no, because you know what? We already have the brand. It's not worth. Oh, there we go. I don't think we ever sell 2 units to level. I don't think it's ever right to do that here. I think there's too many carries on 5. Yeah, there's too many carries on 5. Like Light Fang is the nuts here. Light Fang is the nuts. The second nuts would be the Bloodstone buffer. That's fucking terrible. I guess you take another brand to try to triple it. You could go Boar with this, but it's so stupid. Oh, dude, this is so effing bad. I guess you just take a brand. That's depressing. That's useless. That's useless. You don't even want the Tough Tusk at this point. I mean, I guess you can go Bomb. You have Bomb stats. That's so bad. Fuck, this is so bad. I'll take that. This is so fucking bad. It's not even worth freezing here. This is a wreck. What a shitty bunch of rolls. I could have sold these 2 for the mech and played double mechs. That would have been the right play. Dude, what a nightmare these rolls are. That's really bad. Like, I have to level now. I have to level, and I might have to sell the brand. Might have been just like a useless 5-drop. Oh, I should have sold those 2 and bought the mech. I don't know what I was doing. I should have sold this trash and bought this. Now it's not even worth buying it. That was such a bad mistake. This is good. Do you just play this raw? I think so. I think you just play this raw and you can try to triple it in the future. Because this is not worth it. 2 brands is so bad here. Yeah. Maybe I should have gotten rid of the Soul Juggler instead of the 4/8, I think. Yeah, that was a mistake. I should have gotten rid of the Soul Juggler. This is terrible. We're going to sell a brand. If we don't like high roll something, we're selling a brand. 1, 2, 3. At least we can stack cups. We should have sold the Juggler. I don't know why we kept the 3 damage and a 3/5 over 4/8. That doesn't make any sense. It's almost the same. Like this can snipe something, but 4/8, 3/5. I guess it's like the same, right? This is fucked. 2 brands on board is so useless. This is bad. This is really bad. Maybe we'll spike a brand and a cup. Who knows? Maybe we get a brand and a cup. You're so done with it. Binance? What happened on Binance? Binance has its glitches for sure. This is not looking good. This guy's pretty big too. This is not looking good. Oh, that's fucking horrible. This guy might kill me. I'm pretty sure I'm dead here unless I kill the sensei. Yeah. I have to hit the sensei. I'm dead, right? 21 exactly. Yep. Fuck this game, dude. I hate this game so much. My own fault. Like I did something kind of inefficient, but it wasn't really that bad, to be honest. Diablo time. Fucking Hearthstone. Oh, what a awkward turn. I don't even think I like. Okay, I made one mistake. I should have got the. I did make a mistake. I should never have frozen for that mech. I should have sold my 2 units and I would have had a full board of 7. I don't know why I froze. No time. I don't know why I froze for that. That was a huge mistake. That cost me the game probably. I don't know if I would have won the game, but that definitely cost me a lot in that game. Wait, is it not picking up Diablo 2 as a game cap? Why? That's super awkward. Tyrion? Tyrell. Tyrell? Tyrael? I don't know how you say his name. Steven. Take care, man. Good quality? That's good. I have a pretty high bit rate, so that's good. EPS. Oh, dude. That's pretty high. Yeah, I'm watching BTC. House of Indicators, man. That's what this is. What are you gonna do to a skeleton? Like, hit its bones? Bro, it wouldn't do anything. I guess. Hi, Mom. Just kidding. Cool. 12 a.m. Okay. I'm gonna make sure there's no like sensitive information in here. Volume seems a little loud for you guys. Yeah, volume is like blaring. How's this for volume? Love the typography. Old school Diablo typography. Yeah. Loud as fuck. Yeah, it looked really loud. Is this better now? This should be better. Resolution? Crank that sucker, right? I mean, I should be able to play this thing just on like high everything. No. Dynamic resolution scaling? No, I want a locked resolution. Blended shadows? Parallax scroll effect? Sure, let's try it. Auto gold pickup, yep. Auto party invite, nope. Not sure what resurrected and this is. Life orb text? Life numbers? I guess. Mana orb text? I don't really need that, do I? Ammo count on skills. Try that. Old man mode, yeah. So I've seen some people's cell phones, you pick it up and the font is so huge on it, it's crazy. Cursor sense, 28 feels right. Yeah, sure, looks good. Okay, yeah. Oh, create new, right, of course. What class are we rolling? Music is louder than me? I'll turn the music down, actually. I'm gonna do that. I don't know why I didn't do that. What class are we rolling? Paladin's usually like OP as all hell. But we don't have these? We don't have these two? Probably Druid. But these aren't unlocked in early access right now. So that's Necro and I don't know what that is. What's with this games like? Click. You have to wait for the animation to finish? Dude, come on. Can't use zeros? Cotton Thick created. Let's go, Cotton Thick. Stream's a little laggy right now. It is. For me, everything is smooth. Okay, hold on.